If you're creating projects with similar budget and timecode structures, try cloning to save time on project setup. In this video, we'll look at how to clone a project. Then we'll look at how our customers use cloning as a means to create projects from project templates. Let's get started. Here's a project that we want to clone. Take a look at its budgets and timecodes. When we clone this project, these will be copied over to the new project. Click Actions at the top of the screen and click Clone Project. Enter the information for your new project and click Create Project. In your new project, click into the Budgets tab. You'll see that the cloning process has copied the structure and names of your original project's budgets and timecodes into this brand new project. You can immediately start entering the project-specific details needed for this new project, like fee amounts and timecode allocations for your team. Let's look at one example of how Projectworks users leverage project cloning by creating a library of project templates, then cloning these templates to quickly set up new live projects. Lots of Projectworks users create project templates with predefined budget and timecode structures to reflect the types of projects they deliver on a regular basis. And they create projects by cloning from these templates, rather than building their project from scratch every time or cloning from live projects. This workflow is useful for firms who value maintaining consistent language and formatting amongst their standard projects, and it also saves time on project setup. To create a project template, begin by creating a new project as you normally would. For your project name, you could include the word template. This makes it easy to search for and quickly identify which of your projects are meant to be used as templates, and it also helps to avoid mistaking your templates for live projects. We recommend adding your own organization as the company, and the project manager to be the internal person who is maintaining your templates. Enter the budget and timecode names as required for that template. You don't need to add any fee information or timecode allocations to your template, as those details aren't copied across when cloning, so you'll need to input these when you create your new project from this template. Now that we've got our budgets and timecodes, this template is ready for cloning. You could even set up a custom field to signal which projects are intended to be used as templates. For example, a template checkbox like this. This will enable you to filter views like All Projects to view all your projects marked as templates and choose the one you need. You can even kick off the cloning process directly from this All Projects screen. In summary, you can clone projects from within a project or from the All Projects view, and it will copy the names and structure of that project's budgets and timecodes. You can create project templates and clone them for quick project setup and consistent structure. Some tips for managing your templates: have the word template in your project title to make it easy to tell your project templates apart from your live projects. And for easy filtering, consider adding a custom field to label your templates. Any questions about cloning a project or using project templates? Feel free to check out our knowledge base or contact the team at support@projectworks.com. Thanks for watching.